Hi, my name is Nisha, and in this tutorial I'm going to show some of what you can do in the settings of your iPad. So, to open up the settings, you want to find that icon with the gray gear, and it has the word settings underneath. So you just want to tap on that, and you get to the screen where you can do a bunch of stuff on it. I'm going to show you how to use airplane mode, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. So, and you're going to find it right at the top there. So airplane mode is just a mode that you want to keep your iPad on when you go on an airplane, because if you don't, then it may interfere with the wireless signals and communication that the pilot has to do with the people on the ground. So in order to turn it on, you want to slide that dot from the left to the right of the bar. And you'll see that the bar turns green. This means that airplane mode has been turned on. In order to turn it off, you would slide the dot from left to right, and when you see that the bar is white, you know that the airplane mode has been turned off. And when your iPad is on airplane mode, you can use the internet if the Wi-Fi is available. So you want to ask your flight attendant. And if it is available, they'll give you a password that you can enter, and they'll tell you which Wi-Fi network to use. And in order to choose your Wi-Fi network, you want to tap on Wi-Fi, and under choose a network, a list of networks would come up, and depending on where you are, the list might be long or it might be short. If you need a password, there's going to be that little lock right next to the Wi-Fi logo there. And that just means, and if you don't have the Wi-Fi password, then you want to ask either the homeowner, or if you're not in a home, then you want to ask the person in charge. And Wi-Fi is just the internet. A lot of people think it stands for wireless fidelity, but if someone says that, they're wrong. Wi-Fi actually just doesn't stand for anything. You can use it to access Safari, and on some apps you don't even need to use Wi-Fi. So if you're on the plane, then you can use it, even if the flight attendant says we don't provide Wi-Fi. And then once you type in the password, make sure you press done. It's usually on the upper right corner of the screen. And this must be done when you go to a new place. But if you go somewhere and then you go somewhere again, that same place again after connecting to it the first time, then you don't have to reconnect. You don't have to put the password in again, because your device will automatically reconnect. And then now I'm going to get to something called Bluetooth. If you tap on the Bluetooth bar, then you'll see that there's not much on Bluetooth. Bluetooth is just something you can connect to. For example, if you want to use your iPad and play music during a party, you might want to play it louder so a lot of people can hear it. So in that case, you might want to turn on Bluetooth so you can connect to the speakers that way. But if you're not using Bluetooth, then you want to turn it off because it uses a lot of battery if you just keep it on. And if you turn on Bluetooth, then the device, any speaker or anything that requires Bluetooth, should appear on your iPad. It may take a few seconds to about a minute or two, but after that you should be good to go. And that concludes the first part of the tutorial of the settings, and I will soon be out with more.